To thrive in the world of pig farming, we must embrace the pillars of success: robust breeding selection, a pristine environment, and diligent vaccination protocols. These elements are not merely good practices, they are essentials for nurturing healthy, thriving pigs. When we prioritize these fundamentals, we set the stage for our success. As we move forward, the integration of cutting-edge technologies into our farming practices becomes a game-changer. Automated feeding systems and climate control elevate our production efficiency while significantly lowering the risk of disease. This shift isn't just a trend, it's a commitment to enhancing the welfare of our animals and ensuring the highest quality of our products. Transitioning to waste management and environmental stewardship, it's evident that these factors are vital to minimizing our ecological impact. By employing techniques like biogas production and the use of organic fertilizers, we contribute to sustainable farming practices that not only benefit us but also the planet. Now, let's talk about modern distribution methods. E-commerce and blockchain technology are revolutionizing how we access high-quality pork products. These innovations foster transparency and traceability, ensuring that our consumers know exactly where their food comes from, strengthening their trust in our industry. Moreover, the industry is stepping up to meet environmental challenges head-on. Embracing organic farming and circular economic models, we're working to minimize waste and lessen our environmental footprint. Utilizing livestock waste as fertilizer is a prime example of how we can turn challenges into opportunities. In the pursuit of efficiency and excellence, advanced breeding techniques and biotechnology play a pivotal role in our farms. These innovations not only bolster disease resistance in our pigs but also help us maintain the quality and longevity of our products, ensuring they meet the highest standards without harmful preservatives. However, we cannot overlook the challenges we face: diseases, climate fluctuations, and the demands of a growing market. To overcome these hurdles, we must adopt effective strategies that allow us to adapt and prevent setbacks, thereby safeguarding our overall productivity. As the tides of consumer preferences shift towards clean and organic products, we feel the pressure to elevate our production processes. Obtaining quality certifications and enhancing our offerings are no longer options but necessities to meet the rising expectations of the market. In this competitive landscape, the stakes are high. With increasing competition from both domestic and imported products, there is a relentless push for technological advancement and the development of strong branding strategies. We must leverage supportive state policies that provide us access to critical resources to gain an edge. Diversity is crucial in the pork processing industry, as we expand our product offerings beyond traditional cuts. By introducing frozen foods and value-added products like sausages, we cater to both domestic appetites and the global market, ensuring our relevance and resilience. An emerging trend that cannot be ignored is the drive to build a closed supply chain from breeding to distribution. This approach not only helps us maintain stringent control over product quality but also optimizes our costs, reinforcing our position in the livestock sector. Lastly, let's recognize the importance of government support in our line of work. Programs focused on disease control and investments in infrastructure are crucial. By promoting organic and sustainable production methods, we ensure a brighter, more secure future for the pig farming industry. The journey begins with the careful selection of robust piglets, raised in pristine barns where cleanliness reigns supreme. Within these walls, temperature and humidity are precisely controlled, creating an environment that fosters their growth. Remember, a solid foundation of proper nutrition and essential vaccinations stands as a cornerstone for their development. Transitioning into processing, facilities emerge as key players in transforming high-quality pork into a variety of delectable products such as hams and sausages. Adhering to stringent hygiene and preservation regulations, these practices ensure that what reaches your plate is not only delicious but also safe. As we move through the journey from farm to table, maintaining optimal storage temperatures during transportation becomes non-negotiable. Freshness hinges on specific conditions that preserve the meat's integrity, guaranteeing it remains safe for consumption. When it comes to cooking, the methods for preparing pork are as diverse as they are effective, ranging from boiling to frying, or even grilling. Every method requires a keen eye on temperature and timing to achieve that perfect degree of doneness, essential for locking in flavor and ensuring safety. Next, we cannot overlook the importance of proper storage. Refrigeration is your best friend, keeping fresh pork viable for several days, while freezing extends its life for months. Mastering the art of defrosting is equally crucial, allowing you to maintain quality all the way to your plate. Let's not forget the significance of responsible waste treatment in the pork industry. We have options that benefit the environment, such as recycling waste into animal feed and organic fertilizer. This practice not only supports sustainable operations but reinforces our commitment to the planet. In today's digital age, modern technologies like QR codes and vacuum packaging are game changers. They enhance traceability and preserve the nutritional value of pork products, ensuring that food safety is never compromised for you, the consumer. However, the pork market isn't without its challenges. Price fluctuations can be a reality due to seasonal changes, disease outbreaks, and rising input costs, impacting farmers and consumers alike in significant ways. On a brighter note, international trade agreements present immense opportunities, especially for Vietnamese pork eager to break into global markets. Regions such as China and Europe, with their high demand, await our quality products. Speaking of innovation, implementing circular farming models that utilize livestock byproducts can combat pollution while boosting economic value throughout the production chain. This strategic approach champions environmental sustainability and resource efficiency. To safeguard our livestock, strict biosecurity measures and regular vaccinations emerge as essential practices. These strategies minimize disease risks, protecting not just the animals but also the hard work and investments of farmers across the industry. In promoting Vietnamese pork on the international stage, effective marketing and participation in global exhibitions can elevate brand reputation. Meeting the high food quality standards set by countries like Japan and the EU is crucial in this endeavor. Collaboration is key. By partnering with restaurants, supermarkets, and e-commerce platforms, we can effectively expand the channels through which pork is consumed. Such strategies build a clean, recognizable brand for Vietnamese pork, further establishing its presence in the market. Moreover, environmental protection stands at the forefront of pig farming. As large-scale operations pose risks of pollution, modern farming methods must integrate waste treatment technologies to mitigate these impacts effectively. Finally, we arrive at the crux of the matter: ensuring pork quality is paramount for consumer health. Adopting organic farming standards helps tackle issues such as antibiotic use and hygiene, securing a healthier future for all. In the heart of production, this factory stands as a titan in the meat industry, specializing in an impressive array of meat products. From robust sausages to exquisite meat delicacies, every item displays a commitment to excellence. Here, quality control isn't just a guideline, it's the backbone of every stage of production. When it comes to crafting the perfect sausage, selecting the right cuts of meat becomes paramount. Lean pork, half-fat pork, and premium quality beef are the building blocks of Dr. Sausage preparation, each piece integral to achieving culinary greatness. Eggs, often underestimated, play a vital role in sausage production, adding not only flavor but also a rich texture. Different varieties of sausages harness the power of eggs in unique ways, elevating their profile in the meat market. Imagine the skill of workers who can crack up to 18,000 eggs in a single shift. This astonishing efficiency underscores the relentless pace of meat production, highlighting the importance of speed in the world of food processing.
Next, we witness a meat cutter in action, spinning at a blistering speed of 5,000 revolutions per minute.
It's a dance of technology and raw power, where ice is employed to keep the machinery cool, showcasing the advanced techniques harnessed in modern meat processing. As we dive deeper into the sausage-making journey, the initial mixture devoid of sodium nitrite takes on the appearance of sour cream, highlighting how crucial additives are in transforming the texture and presentation of meat products. The molding process becomes a decisive step in shaping these experimental mixtures into classic bologna. Using a sausage stuffer to precisely fill cellulose casings, we see the artistry in sausage making come to life. Thermal processing is where the real magic happens for both sausage samples. They will endure identical boiling conditions, ensuring a level playing field as we prepare to compare their distinctive characteristics. In this experiment, we strive to unveil which sausage reigns supreme in taste and visual appeal. After a meticulous waiting period of 3.5 hours post-cooking, we'll uncover the results of our culinary quest. Various heating methods mark the path to achieving sausage perfection, boiling for frankfurters and smoking for those that offer bold flavors. Each technique leaves its own unique imprint on the final quality of the sausage, contributing to its distinct character. Some manufacturers embrace liquid smoke additives, a modern twist that enhances flavor without the lengthy process of traditional smoking. This innovative approach successfully mimics rich taste profiles, using advanced chemical components. Through the lens of organoleptic testing, we gain insights into the sausage properties that define quality. By examining how additives like sodium nitrite affect appearance and flavor, we engage in a critical evaluation that ensures top-notch food quality. The initial evaluation kicks off with an assessment of the sausage's aroma. Some may even liken it to the scent of boiled raw meat. This sensory experience lays the groundwork for the tasting journey ahead. As we delve into the taste tests, the first sausage sample delivers a classic consistency and flavor, while the second sample, enhanced with sodium nitrate, is suggested to possess a more refined taste. However, this exploration of flavors leads to varied opinions on their similarities. In the realm of taste, despite the differing opinions, both tasters converge on one undeniable truth: the appearance of the sausages significantly influences their choices. The nitrate-infused sample, with its eye-catching allure, holds a greater appeal, proving that visual attractiveness can sway consumer preferences. In summary, the journey from the farm to the pork processing factory is a complex process that combines the efforts of farmers and modern production technology. Froji. Giant pigs are carefully raised to ensure the highest meat quality before being processed by advanced production lines to meet the growing market demand. If you found this topic interesting, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging videos. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below.